by rethinking car keys. They've been around for over 100 years, but they've become big, bulky, and ripe for reimagining. To tell you more about what we have planned, let's go to the garage with Emily Schubert.
Thanks, Craig. I'm excited to introduce a digital version of car keys. Now you can leave your keys at home and unlock and start your car with your iPhone. And the very first car to support this will be the new 2021 BMW 5 Series. Let me show you how it works. It's super simple. It uses NFC, and you just tap to unlock. And I place my phone on the charging pad and then push to start. But this goes beyond just one less thing you have to keep in your pocket. Digital keys have security benefits. They live in the secure element of your iPhone, and if it goes missing, you can turn off your keys remotely via iCloud. They're even easier to share than a physical key. Copies don't involve trips to the dealership, and you can share from wherever you are with iMessage. Let's give Craig a key so he can drive home after we're done here. With each key you share, you can set options, like a restricted driving profile, perfect for teen drivers, which is tempting, but we'll give Craig full access.
Full access? Thanks, Emily. The new BMW will be available to customers next month. In addition to adding this feature to iOS 14, we're also enabling it in iOS 13, so customers can use their car keys even sooner. And of course, we want this to work in any car. So we've been working on standards with industry groups, and this is just the beginning. We're working on technology that will leverage our U1 chip, which uses ultra-wideband technology for precise spatial awareness. So you'll be able to leave your iPhone in your bag or pocket and still securely unlock and start your car. We expect to see support for this standard starting in new cars next year.